Join me as I dive into the predictions and analyze the data to see if we can figure out if the next financial crisis is really going to hit us in 2025. When we look back at history, financial crises have always been a part of the economic landscape. From the Great Depression to the 2008 recession, these events have shaped the world we live in today. And the question on everyone's mind is, are we due for another one? Could 2025 be the year the next financial crisis hits? There are several signs that suggest a potential financial crisis might be on the horizon. For one, economic indicators such as slowing global growth and trade tensions are flashing warning signs. Additionally, many experts are predicting a downturn in the near future. In fact, a recent survey of economists found that over 70% of them believe a recession will occur within the next 2 years. Then there's the issue of mounting debt, both consumer and government, which is reaching unsustainable levels in many countries. All these factors combined have got people wondering if 2025 is the year the bubble bursts. Furthermore, the current economic landscape is ripe for a crisis. Central banks have been injecting liquidity into the system for years, and this has led to asset inflation and distortions in the market. Furthermore, the rise of shadow banking and the lack of transparency in the financial system only add to the concern. And let's not forget about the geopolitical tensions simmering just below the surface, waiting to boil over into a full-blown crisis. As we delve deeper into the factors that could lead to a financial crisis in 2025, it's clear that market trends are a major concern. The current bull run has been going strong for over a decade, and many are predicting a correction is long overdue. Additionally, inflation rates are on the rise, and if left unchecked, could lead to a collapse in consumer spending. Then there's the issue of emerging markets, which are increasingly vulnerable to economic shocks. All these factors combined have got many experts predicting a financial crisis in 2025. But what does the data really say? When we crunch the numbers, it becomes clear that the likelihood of a crisis is higher than many people think. In fact, several models are predicting a significant downturn in the next 18 months. This is not just speculation. The data is telling us that a financial crisis is not just possible but probable. The most critical insight or prediction regarding the likelihood and impact of a financial crisis in 2025 is that it's not just going to be a localized event. This is going to be a global crisis, one that will affect every country and every economy. The impact will be felt across the board, from Wall Street to Main Street. It's not just going to be a financial crisis, but a crisis of confidence in the system as a whole. So, what does it all mean? In summary, the signs are clear. A financial crisis is possible, maybe even probable, in 2025. From economic indicators to expert predictions, the data is telling us that we need to be prepared. What do you think? Do you believe a financial crisis is coming in 2025? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about financial trends and what you can do to prepare, be sure to check out my recent video on the subject. Thanks for watching.